Hello America, I am Brendan Flaherty with Guild Age News. Tonight I will be interviewing with Nick August Otto, the inventor of the combustion engine. Today, he will tell us about the engine and how it can benefit the big businessman.
Yes, I invented the combustion engine.
That is wonderful. How does this engine benefit factories and companies, Nicholas?
Well, this engine benefits